Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma,
Oklahoma County,
Canadian County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Oklahoma City.
Oh my
near
God.
Bethany, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour.
Oh.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, western Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, Tuttle, Valley Brook, and Woodlawn Park. This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 between mile markers 114 and 124. Interstate 40 between mile markers 136 and 150. Interstate 44 between mile markers 102 and 124. Interstate 240 between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The following is a special weather state.
Oops. Sorry. Okay. See the storm they're talking about. See if I could get this. And maybe the storm right there. That may be the storm right there. It's big. It's big. Hey guys, gotta see this.
You talking about that cloud over there?
Yeah. That's the cluster. That's the cluster. But it'll be alright, everybody. It's just a storm moving 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, I got it.
Let's just hope it doesn't produce a tornado.
And they want to repair all these
Yeah.
items?
So the radar said the radar indicated threat.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 between mile markers 114 and 124. Interstate 40 between mile markers.
What's up, it's SBC Detroit again. I'm in Oklahoma for a severe thunderstorm warning for our county. The storm is moving towards us right now, and it looks pretty angry looking. We got 60 mile an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Radar indicated threat.
Thunderstorm winds extended along the line extending from near Oklahoma City to near Norman to 4 miles west of Brooksville, moving west at 25 miles an hour. Hazards include wind gusts to 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma.
Oh, yeah, maybe right there. That may be it right there.
Stellar, Lake Thunderbird, Stanley Draper Lake, Tinker Air Force Base, and Little Axe. If on or near Lake Thunderbird, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle.